bad weather in the capital city of Papua New Guinea. Port Moresby, very, very bad weather today. But you see, still people are walking on the road. Crazy. It's very bad weather here with strong wind. I think it's unsafe to be on the road at the moment, but no option, so I gotta go home. Got no option. But very bad weather. Very, very bad weather in Papua New Guinea at the moment. Very bad weather. So usually when rain falls like this, we have certain locations where the flood could even, disturb the people who kind of live there. Especially we call it monster swamp. This is not the right time for people to go at those locations because flood usually usually there are certain history of kids being already washed away by flooding river, and so if you have your kids, please do not let them out at the moment. The rain is very, very bad. The weather is very bad at the moment. So I'm just recording this for what that is happening in this part of the world. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for those who already subscribed.